What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to take a trade on our MetaTrader 4 app, and more specifically, how to take a signal. So as you can see, I'm here on my MetaTrader 4 app, and I'm here on the quotes page where we see a list of all of our pairs. Okay. When you go to our Telegram page and you see us post a signal, you're going to see it in one of two ways. You may see it like this Euro JPY trade as a pending order, in this case, a sell limit. Okay. Or you may see it like this NAS 100 trade that is known as a market execution trade. Okay. So this Euro JPY trade, this is what's known as a pending order, where we can have a sell limit or a buy limit. Okay. Those are the two type of pending orders that we typically send here in the Telegram chat. And then the bottom one is known as market execution, where you can either buy or sell immediately and get yourselves into the market. Okay. So let's go ahead and start with the Euro JPY sell limit first. Okay. So what we're going to do is, now that we already have our demo account set up here on this MetaTrader 4 app, and we have all of our pairs listed here on the quotes page, we're going to go ahead and look for Euro JPY, which is going to be this one down here. That's the Euro versus the Japanese yen. Okay. We'll go ahead and click it, and it's going to bring up this little menu that says new order, open chart, symbol properties, and advanced mode. Okay. We can go ahead and click new order. Okay, and then it's going to bring us to this page. Okay, so as we see here, like I said, this is going to be a pending order. Okay, so we see that is known as a sell limit. So if we go to the top where it says market execution, we can change what kind of order it is. So we're going to go to click sell limit because that's what it is in this case in this signal. Then we're going to see the 0.01, and then you see the numbers to the right and to the left, right? This is what's going to be known as your lot size. In another video, we will show you how to properly manage your risk and be able to risk a small portion of your account rather than risking more or less than you need to. Okay. So what we recommend is risking 1 to 2% of your account every trade, right? So we don't want to risk any more than that. So in this case, we're on a $100 demo account. So we're going to go ahead and use a 0.01 to risk properly. So moving on to the next one, we're going to see the label says price. Okay. This price is going to be your entry point. Okay. So remember, this is a pending order. We want to see price sell from that area. On our signal, it says sell limit at 130.074. That's going to be our entry point. So we want price to rise to that price point, tap, and then reverse. Okay. If you look just below it on the signal, you see SL. SL stands for stop loss. Okay. And that is going to be 130.147. So what you see is that here at the bottom, we have red and green, right? So to the left, I put my stop loss. We know trading comes with risk. If we are wrong and price pushes up past that, we don't want price to just keep going and blow our accounts. We want to stop at a certain point where we know, hey, we were wrong. That's okay. Let's take our loss and we'll move on to the next trade. So we're going to set a stop loss just above that price point just to make sure if we are wrong, price doesn't go ahead and blow our accounts. Okay. So to the left, this little red box, that's where we're going to put our stop loss. Okay. To the right, we're going to put our TP. Okay, our TP stands for take profit. So if we're correct and price sells from 130.074, then we're going to go ahead and take our profit at this price point, which is 129.671. Okay, so what that's saying is if price starts selling off from where we're at, price is going to push down. And at this level, this is where we want to take profit and close our trade. Okay, perfect. So now this is our trade setup. We have went ahead and put in all our coordinates, and essentially what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and place this pending order. So we go ahead and click place there at the bottom. It now says order is open. Okay. So now it's going to take us to our trade page, and we're going to see Euro JPY sell limit. Okay. Now this trade is not currently active. And the reason why is because this is a pending order, right? So we're waiting for price to rise, tap that sell limit, and then drop. Okay. So we're going to have to be patient. Okay. So now let's focus on the NAS 100 trade, which is a market execution buy. Okay. So what we want to do is we want to go back to our quotes page, and we're going to see a list of all our quotes. So again, first thing we do is we look for that pair. So we look for NAS 100, which is also known as US 100. We're going to go ahead and click it, and we're going to go to click new order. So now it's going to bring up this page again. And as you guys see up here where it says market execution, we're currently going to buy this pair at market price. Okay, so we're going to leave market execution. Okay, we're also going to leave our lot size. And again, in another video, we'll show you guys how to properly calculate your risk. Okay, then we're going to come to our stop loss here, and we're going to go ahead and enter our stop loss, which is going to be 15500. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and enter our take profit, which is going to be 15665. Okay. And again, what we want to do is we want to buy at market execution. So if you guys see here, instead of clicking a place button, we see sell by market and buy by market. buttons here at the bottom. Okay, so what we're going to go to do is we're going to go and click buy by market. And now it's going to say order is open. And now we see that price is currently an active trade. Why? Because we didn't place a pending order this time. This time we bought at current price level. Okay, and we see that price is bought. We are currently in profit, 51 cents. Okay, now we're just going to let price do its thing and take off from here. Okay. So guys, that's how you take a signal, okay? Not much to it. All you got to do is really pay attention to, are we buying or selling? Are we setting a pending order? Are we buying by market execution, selling by market execution, okay? Just really pay attention to those keywords and double check your coordinates before you place the order, okay? If you go ahead and click the sell limit right here, the Euro JPY sell limit, it's going to bring up all your values, your stop loss, your take profit, and extra little information. We go ahead and swipe this to the left. It's going to bring you up 3 buttons. One's going to be close, one's going to be edit, one's going to be bring up the chart. Okay. So if we go ahead and click the little pencil, we can modify order. Let's say we entered our take profit wrong or our stop loss wrong. We can go ahead and change those coordinates. And let's say, hey, I want to change my stop loss to 130.140. Okay. We click modify. It'll be order is modified. We'll go back to this page and perfect. Now we can see that our stop loss has been changed. Okay. If we want to go ahead and delete the order, we'll go ahead and click the check mark with the circle around it, and we'll go ahead and click delete. So now that order has been deleted. Okay. We see our NOS 100. It's buy. It's currently in deficit. This is an older signal. But if we wanted to go ahead and close this out, we'll go ahead and click the little check mark. Right. We're going to see that it's going to bring up this page. We can go ahead and click close with loss there just to stop the trade and close it out. Okay. So once again, guys, that is how you take a trade here on MetaTrader 4, and more specifically, how to take a signal. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.